Hello Tasca friends, thank you for coming back one more time. And today, very simply, we're going to do a video, very quick video on an unboxing product. In the My Vulcan, I want to install what you call this, a USB charger, okay, to connect my phones, to connect GPS if I have GPS and things like that, right? So to do that, you need a couple of things. So guys, according to the manual, we have to install any accessories, electrical accessories like the USB charger. You have to go to the manual, and it tells you how many you got. The first one you see, you go to page 77. I guess this is in Spanish. It's conectores de accesorios, so accessories, electrical connectors, accessories to connect accessories, electrical accessories. The first one is gear indicator. And then according to this, you have three on the front of the motorcycle, where the light is, the headlight. You got in the headlight, you have three. You got as you can see in the manual, you got A, B, and C, and also you have underneath the seat. There's another one. Okay, there's another one that we'll have to check when we get there. Okay, so this is the manual. We have to go to the manual and see. Here I have my little doggy. I'm gonna show you my little doggy. He wants to be with me, my little doggy. Hello, little doggy. Hello, little Prisco. He wants to be with me. Hello, say hello to the camera. Hello, boys. I'm Prisco. I'm Tasca man and Tasca doggy. Alright, so what you need, look, to activate the electrical circuits is this baby, which is this baby is a relay. Okay, 14 volts relay. Okay, just a simple relay. Let's see, comes this is the relay. Okay, and then you got the, I guess you got a bracket that comes out with it, and I have here, let's put this aside, and some instructions. Okay, according to this, you got the instructions, right? How to install the relay, which we'll do in the next video. Okay, so let's instructions there. Let's open the relay. Let's see to show you guys. Okay, and that is the relay. This is the relay. Okay, I guess it goes like that. In the motorcycle, goes like that, and that's the simple relay. Here, let's put it back in the bag, and then you have the bracket. This is the bracket. I guess the bracket, we'll have to find a way how to connect it. Okay, I'll go out and I'll take you in a minute. Okay, so this is the relay. This 15 euro, 14 euros. You have to buy at the Kawasaki dealer. It doesn't ship here in Europe. It doesn't ship through the internet. So simple as that. All right, and the second device. This is the great thing. Okay, my USB charger. Wow, comes with a bunch of stuff. Okay, instructions, of course. Here comes with some instructions. Good. It tells you how to connect. There's a notch in here, but anyway, at least it gives you some instructions. You can actually guide you. This is the USB charger. I have the charger here. It's not a USB, as you can see, just a normal charger. It's like a lighter charger. Connect a cigarette lighter here, connector. And what I purchased is this baby in Amazon for USB. Okay, it's from Milky. It cost me 10 bucks. It's fantastic. It's great. So you have two USB two USB ports. All right. Okay. So you just connect it over here like that, and there you go. Supposedly you have a connector now. You have the two USB connectors to connect your phone and your GPS, for example. Let me take this away from you guys. Okay, let's put it back in the box. Okay, and what is this? This is spare parts, I guess. I don't know. So let's open them up and show them to you. Okay, this is the bracket. Well, I guess it's gonna connect to, that's the bracket that is gonna connect to the motorcycle. Oh, here this. So you open the baby like that. Seems like there is a notch somewhere. I don't know. Oh, here there's a notch. See, you can see. I don't know. Here. All right. Okay. There is a kind of a little notch or stopper. So, all right. So we just got all the equipment laid down. So we're gonna install it before we're gonna install the piece before we go install it. So this is part of the unboxing. Take a minute to read the instructions. It tells you how the drawings, all the pieces here, and then on the back side, it tells you how to start. So the first thing it tells you is install the color number 4. So the 4 is this one here, number 4. This is like the C clamp. Okay, the C clamp. So we're gonna install the C clamp here. It seems like there is a notch here, like a little stopper. I don't know if you see it. Let's see. Let's focus. Here there's a stopper there. So the C clamp or the collar is gonna go here. Okay, so the reason to do this, I guess, is to make sure that the bracket is installed properly there and holds it in place. Okay, because, and then the second part, it says, okay, now it's install number 4. Then it says, so that the opening A fits the projection B of the socket 1. So it fits the projection of the socket. So that the opening A, there's an opening, of course, the opening of the collar fits in here. So the fits in here. So the opening, the C collar has to go here. See, in here and here. So if you look, we can install it here like that, and then let's see, if you look, it goes the notch, and there. So the C clamp here, see, you can see the C clamp. The 2 sides fit in here on the bracket, and then the notch fits in this little opening here of the notch of the bracket. So everything fits in place. So here we are. Then the second thing is to place the washer so it keeps everything watertight. Let me put it here so you can guys see it. Okay, all right, so it's a little tougher sometimes to install these things. Okay, so it's in there, and then the last piece is this thing, which is the screw. It has a screw, it's like a knob, screw knob, so it holds everything in place. So, and you put in between the cables, and then you just put it in here like that and screw it so everything is tight. Everything has to be tight, so it's watertight. So just want to make sure before we do anything that everything is tight. I don't know what happened here. See, these are the things. Sometimes it's hard to install. Oh, there you go. Everything is in place. Did you hear the click? All right, Thasca. That's the Thasca things that you find in the installations. You find a lot of Thasca. Thasca there. Thasca there. God. All right, so everything is tight. Okay. Everything is secure. I think it's a little clumsy here. There's something I don't like about this thing. It's supposed to be a Kawasaki piece, right? So it's supposed to be 0 tolerance, and this shouldn't be moving at all. So anyway, just make sure it's tight. Just keep screwing a little bit more. Okay, well, it's much better. It's a little better. And this is the last part. Okay, and then what it says here, insert the damper and tighten the this is called the damper, I guess. and tighten the nut securely, or the nut. Okay, and so the last piece is install the cover, and so this is the last part before we install that in the motorcycle. So this thing will go probably this way. The cables will, according to these instructions, the cables have to come back here on the side. See, this is the bracket, this is the bracket. So it goes like that. And let me put this in here like this. And then just secure the, it seems like there's an Allen screw. Looks like a 3mm. I think I have one lying around. Here it is. So I always have Allen keys with Kawasaki's, man. Pieces. They love Allen keys. So we're just gonna install the thing here, and let's see if I can actually screw it properly. There you go. Installed, secure. Okay, and then it's ready to, we are ready to connect my USB charger that I purchased as a quick charger. So you just plug it in there. Okay, and then you'll have your USB connector in your motorcycle for connecting the, I don't know, phone, a battery if you want, a power bank, GPS. Here, let me use this USB connector. See if it works. Okay. Okay. Connects and connects. Okay. All right. So we have to install it and see what happens. All right, guys. Looks nice. Hopefully you enjoy it and you know how to build this thing up. Of course, you have to purchase this thing at the Kawasaki dealer. It will not be shipped via the web. I tried and they told me you have to go to a dealer and purchase it. So I went to a dealer, ordered it. In a few days it came back and purchases. This will cost you between 45 and 50 euros. Plus, of course, as I said, let me open it up again for you guys. The relay and this. So if you want a USB charger, probably you're gonna spend 45 plus 15, 60 bucks, 60 euros, between 60 and 70 euros, 70 bucks to install that in your motorcycle. So it's time to install it. All right.